Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Today is July the 31st, 2022, last day of July. And we're taking a look at our squash plants right now in the separate control groups. Now, over here, what you notice is these are a little greener. They also have a bunch of little chew marks, okay? I was just sick for about a week and a half, so I wasn't able to take care of these squash plants, so they got invaded by loopworms. Yeah, so now I'm gonna have to try to, pick up the slack and get these guys healthy again. What you'll notice here, though, is these guys over here are green. This is the control with the lasagna layered soil that has beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi mixed in. Over here, you'll notice these guys aren't looking very happy. This control has the lasagna layered soil, but no inoculation of beneficial bacteria or beneficial fungi. And I'm thinking that it's having a bad effect not having that beneficial bacteria in with the roots. So these guys aren't getting the nitrogen that they should be getting. But there's the black walnut hull powder that was mixed into this spot to keep the root boring nematodes away, and that seems to be working. Let's go look at the last location. Again, we've been getting invaded by loopworms. I just sprayed all of these guys down with Spectricide Bug Stop. So hopefully that gamma cyhalothrin inside of that container will have a huge negative impact on the loopworms going forward. This location we mixed with the sand before we did the lasagna layering. We mixed in earthworm castings, and they seem to be working out pretty well for this location. We're still in the learning phases of how to grow squash successfully here in Florida. So, yeah, if you're interested in learning with us, just stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated on the progress of these squash plants. Don't forget to like and subscribe as they help the channel grow, and have a great day.